Is it writing? Yeah. Not writing. You mean is it working? We came to the cigar lounge, y'all. They ain't here like, you want a cigar? No, I want Zah.
Do you know when you went to school? Hey. So, man.
Yeah, I know, man.
These young kids these days, they think they cats and got 9 lives, but they don't.
10:30, no later than drop them George. I know what you want.
I had so much fun at the pool, you guys. I'm sure Kason really enjoyed himself too. He actually made some friends out there maybe like a few weeks ago when we went swimming. Or no, it was the last time. So basically it was in last week's vlog. Those same kids, like, they literally tell us what day they want to go swim, and we literally meet out there to let them swim and to let them have a little fun with each other. I'm just trying to clean up my brows a little bit. I just had to take my whole mustache off, honey, because I don't know what was going on with that. Don't be that girl, okay? Do not be the girl that has the mustache peeping through the makeup. Don't even do it. Just go ahead and get you some nice Veet, get you some hot wax, get you I don't know, razor. I don't know if you should do that, but whatever you need. Oh, some people when they dermaplane, they actually get that area, so get that, girl. So anyways, I'm not really sure if I want to do like a makeup look, but I do want to do a little something. Nothing crazy, but I wanted to give something. I think I may even go as far as having mascara instead of lashes. I'm just gonna lay my baby hairs real quick, and we ain't gonna do nothing too crazy. I'm so glad I did my mustache. Like, yes, period. This is just some Fenty Beauty primer I'm priming my face with, and I literally have been mixing these two foundations together, especially because I want a natural look. Because when I use one, I notice one is too dark, and when I use the other one is too light, because I do actually have a little bit of a tan now. The girl got a little tan. But yeah, we had so much fun at the pool. We got some lemon pepper steppers. I love me a lemon pepper, a 6-piece lemon pepper, period. Okay, and that's just that. So I'm probably gonna do real natural makeup, lay my baby hairs real quick, and oh, I may even have enough time to film some TikToks, so I need to hurry up. Okay, let me start talking to y'all and let me hurry up and get ready, because it's so hard for me to actually do my makeup and like film and talk to you guys. Like, it's a task for me. I actually need to wash my makeup brushes, but I don't think I'm doing anything. Why does it smell like liquor? Or am I tripping? So let me get out the earrings and the watch that I want to wear, and then we're gonna do my lip. And for my lip, I'm gonna be rocking this Dior oil. The other shade that I have, this one's in cherry, yeah, and then this shade is berry. So we're gonna put on berry. I think Jazz is at the door. Hello?
You gonna let me in?
Okay, I'm coming.
Alright.
Bye. You need to charge your phone?
You got it in now?
Yeah. I got my charger.
You on dead too?
Huh?
Is she on dead too? What case have your sister?
Yeah, he went with my sister. Yeah, here, you wanna use my charger? 34%. Shit, man, you ain't no better than me. Let me give you my phone instead of the damn charger. You get on 20, they ain't like you. You get on my nerves.
For the streets. I'm for the streets.
She not for the streets. She's a good gal. Yeah, I said it. She looking like, you really gonna say that on camera? Hell yeah. I'm almost done for real. Is he already there? I'm finna FaceTime him. Tell me he went to sleep. You ain't been asleep that long. I'm on the way.
Man, y'all had that big 2 hours ago.
No, it was not. What time they close?
They start serving food at 9, 10, something like that, 9 or something.
But what time they close? We ain't hungry. You hungry? Me either.
See?
Okay, we finna pull up.
Did I put my chicken away?
What? Did you? Y'all, I'm screaming. She threw her chicken away. Okay. He said he better text us. I'm screaming.
Oh.
We gotta go for real. You threw your chicken away?
Damn.
Who said do that?
Oh, I could.
In your garbage can in your house? Well,
Get out and eat it. In the
I'm
house.
screaming.
As long as in the box, it's still getting 8.
Man, please. No, it's not.
See, I'm gonna see your picture.
He said Melissa there. That's her name, right?
Cause earlier you said some other bullshit.
I said Megan.
If you're a little Megan Thee Stallion, just say that.
I am. I'm a huge ass fan girl. I love Megan. I don't think I'm a fan of nobody here. I'm a fan of Megan.
I can do that right there for you.
Alright. You can name my lips. You can do it. Come on. Don't fuck me up.
I can't even.
But I kind of like overdraw mine a little bit.
What you mean by that?
Just a little bit. Just like drawing what like the darkness is.
Is it writing?
Yeah. Not writing. You mean is it working? Oh my god.
Oh, shit.
I said I was gonna do some TikToks, but clearly I don't even have enough time.
No,
Because he like, let's go now. And my battery's dying, so let me just talk to y'all once I'm done putting my lip on. In true going out fashion, it's time to take our shots.
That's an eyeball.
Nah, yours is some. Which one is yours?
Whichever one you want to be.
Okay, this one mine.
So that means this one.
Yours always have a little more in it. That's what it. Yeah. You be cheating. Oh. Auntie be struggling.
Good Lord. Oh, hell, Uncle, I think I made it. Not Uncle.
I'm screaming. That shit was kind of strong though. All right, y'all, we about to go.
Let me out. Me out.
Point me to
Me out.
Who sang that song? yeah.
Ellie Chopper.
Yeah, look at me. What the?
What's his name? Chopper.
Ellie Chopper.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Me out.
What it say? Spit in my mouth while you. Wait,
Yeah, he did.
No, he said not my mouth. He said spit in my face while you.
Yeah, spit in my face. Don't do that.
That's too much. You know, okay.
Let me spit in your mouth while you.
He need to change it up, no,
Yeah.
the lyrics up.
If you open that goddamn purse,
I hate when my purses. I don't be wanting to bulge too much.
take out some of the shit out.
I know, but I need it. It's my card. We ain't bulging too bad. It's fine. I be trying to take care of my little stuff. You know what I'm saying?
You got your contacts in?
Yeah.
You gotta put your contacts in on your glasses on? Hold on, wait.
I'll put my
You know
sunglasses
motherfucker.
up. Right, you like, listen.
I thought you needed your glasses.
I need you to be quiet.
Okay, I'm out.
All right, so we about to head on out. I should have let you be the DJ. We can play some crank up the tunes. Hello. This our shit.
20 minutes, 5 minutes.
Not our shit.
Man, I don't want to hear all that shit, man.
Do the dash
about
about
me.
me. Period.
This new little situation got me gone, whoa. I couldn't just leave alone. I had to double back. I just might lock it down for life, put her on Supermax. She got that super wet. Lost her mind when I had first put it in from the back. Thought she had an asthma attack. Keep this shit between us, cool. Ooh, that pussy good. When she nut, it's cream puff. Pressure, you know I apply that. There's a little John jiggle when she walk. I had to try that. Give me a song. Oh, show me what you working with. Now show me what you working with. You ain't gotta be her type. If you got money, you what she like. Yeah. Snitching on me to my bitch, that's just like telling the police. She say she not gonna hold her breath. Been waiting on time for 2 weeks. Only love me while we fucking. After that, she tired of me. Okay, cool, fine with me. Yo, nigga ain't who I'm trying to be. Green eyes, good ass her.
I'm out of town, thuggin' with my round. My coochie pink, my booty hole brown. Where the niggas, I'm looking for the hoes. Pound Town, just left Pound Town. Let my nigga, he just took a bitch down. You know them dreadheads do it the best. Oh yeah. I like say his name, cause he be cheap. I love you, baby. Yeah, and I'm the reason. Niggas love a bad bitch. Yeah.
Y'all, we just made it to where we supposed to be at. I think they closed at like 10 o'clock, so we gotta hurry up.
They gonna stay open.
Yeah, they gonna stay open. We gonna probably get like a few drinks or something like that, and then we probably we're gonna be gone to another location to another location.
No, hell no. Another location.
We just getting started. We had a good day today. We did. Nice pool day, nice little vibe. Chill vibes. I didn't show y'all my outfit, but I got on the tiniest dress ever, okay? Nude sandals and a new bag. Don't play with it. Yeah. All right, y'all, I'm gonna talk to y'all once we get to kinda where we going. Kinda, we already here for real, for real. Is it this door?
Your boy got the full body do-rag out.
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options, I can pass that like stocking. Just joshing, I'ma spend this holiday locking. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put a bad bitch in the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song, give me that tempo. Told cool, he a fool with the shit. Told her don't let her friends know. In the building, I move like a dime. Eating fettuccine or Vincenzo's. I like to call it a passion. I can be sitting relaxed. PG, we getting some traction. I'm at the videos packing. I'm digging her accent. I got a beauty Simon belt on me, and she tryna get it unfastened. That's my type of distraction. That's my type of she Latin. Got my flow and I'm about to get a patent. Brand new sheets for the bed they set. Y'all wasn't tuned in back then. I swag they keep jacking. I ain't doing no verse, quit asking. What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options, I can pass that like stocking. Just joshing, I'ma spend this holiday locking. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put a bad bitch in the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song, give me that tempo. Told cool, he a fool with the shit. Told her don't let her friends know. In the building, I move like a dime. Eating fettuccine or Vincenzo's.
This playing pool day. We talked about this morning. And this nigga over there sleep. His ass is canceled. Let me see that nigga too. This I'm done with this. I'm done. Oh, I can't cuss on the vlog. I'm done.
Hey, bleep her out, Dree. Cause she her mouth is.
Okay, I'm talking shit. That's my boy.
Hey, well, yeah, well, no, she just said.
I had to send something at your
Why?
ass.
Oh, cause
Hit the pool shit. Yeah.
We don't play like that.
I was tired, y'all. I was tired.
What was you doing?
I was in the. No, I had when I got my hair.
I'm gonna say it. With the camera back over
I
there.
had to go take a shower, y'all. I couldn't be at no pool state. I had to go take a shower. See, if she would've went to Alabama State, she would've known when somebody flirting with her. But because she went to But see, when you go to a PWI, you don't know when somebody flirting with you. Or HBCU, you know, like this.
I can't even lie. I've been a victim of people. I'm like, I don't think she was flirting.
You been
and
oblivious to it.
Yeah, and then you like, she was flirting with you. I'm like, damn, really?
Do you know when you went to school?
In the whitest school? I went every school I went to a white though.
What school you went to?
I went to
A&M.
No, nigga, I ain't going on. I went to UNA, but then before that, I went to a white ass D1 school in Indiana. UNA down.
Utah?
It's you know what Huntsville is?
Yeah.
It's like 45 minutes from Huntsville.
Your boy clean it fuck last
My
night.
fat ass was food.
Huh?
Sweet and sour and Patron.
That's her. Oh, you looking at her podcast?
Patron, sweet and sour. A vlog. Say what's up.
Hey y'all, that's how. That's how they wave when they go to the University of Alabama. Hey, we gotta go to a Bama game this year.
Yeah, let's do that. This year we're going to Bama game.
Yeah.
You going?
Yeah.
Oh my God! No,
Look at the way I said it. Yeah.
She gonna be
like, they got food?
They got food.
Okay, I'm looking at them. I can get some content, food, and drink.
And we gonna have the spot.
Okay. Sounds like a plan to me.
I
I do him like that.
Don't worry.
He just gonna get a $10 cigar. Put him on a budget.
Exactly what it is.
He don't tell y'all the full truth. I brought him back a cigar from
She did,
Atlanta.
but it wasn't
See,
sweet,
he
though.
ain't see.
You ain't like it?
You both know what it's
Let me
like.
tell you something. Ew.
If you're not,
I buy you some.
but
Hold on.
no.
Every time I go get some food. I said,
but you know
what you want? What you want?
Oh, don't do my friend like that. Don't do my friend. Y'all, they in here asking me. Hold on, let me focus. They in here. We came to the cigar lounge, y'all. They in here like, you want a cigar? No, I want za. I want za, not like cigars. Like, be fucking for real. Like,
the za.
the girl said, get it, get it.
So, man.
Hey, friend. Look, I'm like, what am I looking at? Look at my friend Takara. Don't be leaving on the rock.
Told me, leave all of your things, yeah. Get stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Told me, fly you out the crib, full speed, so call it baby. Told me, leave all of your things, yeah. Get stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Told me, fly you out the crib, full speed, sweet on Janine. Rolls Royce back in hidden bills. Bags full of $100 bills. Walking past your wife and she get chilled. All because of
A DJ B. Lamar on you.
Hey, what's your name is, my boy?
Hey, book me. Your next, I don't go to club now. Don't book me for no club. DJ B. Lamar, affordable DJ. Your kid took your first step. Your baby shower. Sneaker ball, family reunion, graduations, weddings. Make sure security is strictly enforced, and I'm not coming if you ain't got no security. No, I'm not, cause too much going on right now. I ain't scared, but God ain't in dying young. We y'all hear me? So book me. Make sure you got security, strictly enforced. I'm telling you, these young kids these days, they think they cats and got 9 lives, but they don't. I'm telling you.